Hey guys, what's up? It's Kevin back in for a video, and I know I'd said there'd be more videos about a month ago, and that never really happened. So, the reason is I got burned out of programming for a bit of time as I did have that project, and I kind of took like a long break off programming. Took like a month or two, not two, I think. I think it was just a month of programming. I literally stopped programming altogether. I didn't program Kdon, I didn't program games, I didn't do anything. I just streamed Fortnite a few times and stuff like that, but hopefully, since my school does end next week, I should be able to upgrade more regularly. So let's go ahead and get on with the video. Today we're going to be making a bot info, server info, and user info commands. These will all give information about whatever they specify, and so let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to need to create a new file named botinfo.js. So right here, we're just going to go ahead and copy our ping command, go into botinfo, and just copy and paste it. We're going to change all of the name and all that into stuff that makes it relevant. Botinfo, and then I'm going to have the alias as BI. Okay, and then displays information about the bot. Okay, and all that. Now we can delete the inside of here. And then we're going to need a few variables. We're going to let cyan equal, and it's going to be hash 0AFFFF. So that's for the side of the embed. And then we're going to let b icon, which is the bot icon, it's going to be client.user.display avatar URL. Now I'm going to be doing this. I won't copy it for now. Okay. So now we're going to create an embed. Equal new discord.rich embed. We're going to set the author to bot information. There we go. And then we're going to set the description to watch my YouTube videos, please, and sub. Okay. And then we're going to set the color to cyan. We're going to set the thumbnail to the icon. Then we're going to add a few fields. And true. And we're just going to copy this 3 times. So the first parameter is going to be bot name. And it's just going to be client.user.username. And the next one is going to be developer. And it's going to be Kevin001. You can put whatever you want here. It doesn't have to be exactly what I'm putting, but that's obviously my Discord tag, so I'm putting that in there. And then we're going to add one more field. It's going to be created on. Created on. And then it's going to be client.user.created at, not on, it's not created on, it's created at, that toString, .substring, and we're going to get the first 16 characters because it shows a lot of irrelevant extra information that you do not need past 16 characters. So now we can do whatever you want here because I want to make it symmetrical, so I just did key contributors, and I put Harold hash 8375. Now, if you want, you can message him, ask him for programming help. We're currently in the makes of a Code Help Discord server where you can ask us questions. If you have problems with your code, you can just ask us there or in the comment section. Does not matter. We can help you. Now, we're just going to return message.channel.send it. We're just going to send the embed in there. Now, let's go ahead and sorry about that cut. I messed up a few things, but anyways, we're back here. So let's go ahead and reload the bot. Okay, and then we're just going to do, wait, is the bot on? Oh, this is the wrong server. Right. Okay, as you can see, I already tried to record this once and it did not work because I forgot to record my mic. Now, let's go ahead and, server info. That's the command I did? No, I did bot info, of course. Bot info. Is the bot on? Bot's not on. Forgot. Alrighty, now that should work now. There we go. As you can see, it shows on the information. Bot info, the bot name is the ultimate, developer is me. Created on, now as you see, it shows Sunday, March 17th, 2019. It shows the date, and it shows the day, and all that stuff. But, like, if you weren't, it would show, like, what time, what time zone, and all that other stuff that you do not need. So let's go ahead and create the next thing, which would be server info.js. Okay, we're gonna need all the same information except this is going to be s-icon, and we're gonna need message.guild.display avatar URL and then or client. Now the reason is because if the guild does not have like an icon, then it's gonna break. So we just want to make sure that it always has backup. So it's just gonna use the bot display thing if it does not have a icon. Like as you see, this one does not have one. It just says ICS. So yeah. Now we're gonna go ahead and change the embed information. This is going to be server, and the description is going to be the server name. So how you do that is you do message.guild.name. We're gonna change the thumbnail to s-icon. We're gonna change the name. Actually, we're just gonna put name here, and then we're gonna do message.guild.name. And we're gonna change this to owner. And how you do that is just do message.guild.owner.user. Now this will actually tag the user. Like it'll do like an at owner. It'll do something like that, and you can click it, message the owner. Or if you don't want to ping the owner every time this command gets run, you might want to just type .tag, and it'll display something like this. It'll just display that, and yeah. So right here, we're gonna do created on, and this needs to be changed to message.guild. That created that. So that should be the same, and then we're gonna change this to total members. Okay, and then we're just gonna right here, we're gonna type message.guild.membercount. Okay, now we need to go change this stuff. So server info, server, si, server info, change this to server. Alrighty, now we're just gonna reload the bot and si. Woohoo! Okay, now here we go. Shows the name of the server, the owner. I created it, so I'm the owner. It shows what date it was created on, and it shows the total amount of members. It has 2 members, so there we go. Now we have one more command to make, and that is, what is that? That is the user info.js. So we're gonna go ahead and copy server info.js. So some of this is gonna be the same, but not all of it. This is actually the one that's different. So this is gonna be uicon, and we're gonna delete this. Change this to message.author, delete the user, message.author.display avatar URL. Next, we need to do let user equal message.guild.members.get message.author.id. Now, there's probably an easier way to do this, but I just don't have that set up yet. And then we're going to do let role equal user.highest role. Now, in case they don't have a role, which would be role.name equals everyone, then we need to just set the role equal to member. Okay, and then now we can go on to making the embed. The author will be user information. The description will be message.author.tag. This will be uicon. We're going to change this to nickname instead of name. And how you do that is just going to do message.author. Wait, it's going to be user.nickname. Because it's part of the guild, it's not part of the user object. Now we're going to do role. And we're just going to do user, role. It's just role. And then we're going to do created on, and it's going to, we're going to do user.user. Right here, we're going to change this to joined at, or joined on. We're going to do user.join dat, and then we're just going to copy this, paste it right here. Okay. Now, I think we have to go on and change this stuff right here. Yeah, user info. Change this to user. Change this to UI. Change this to user info. That's a user. And here we go. So now we should have our user info command ready. Okay, now I did mess up under nickname. It should be user.nickname or none. Now the reason we're doing this is because, as you see, I have no nickname. It's just my actual name on Discord, so it shows up as null. So what we have to do is put the or none. What I'll do is, if it's null or undefined, then it's going to display what's in that quotes. So now if I do user info, it should display none. Yeah. And if I were to change my nickname to hello, and I were to run UI, then it would say my nickname is hello. So I think we're done here. So here is the bot info. Here is the server info. And here's the user info. So let's go ahead and just make sure that they all updated in our help command. As you see, we have bot info, server info, and user info all in our help command. That is automatically generated. If you missed that video, go ahead and rewatch it because that video is lengthy, but trust me, it is very, very useful. Now, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next video, which hopefully will not be another month. I'm planning on making another one in a few days. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe because this is the second or third attempt on recording this. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.